Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac when they both are near each other. So if you have a MacBook and you want to do this, what you need to do is simply go to the settings app. Here, once you are in the settings, you need to swipe and tap on the general section. Here in the general section you need to scroll down again until you see AirPlay and continuity and simply tap on it. Here you can see the continuity camera. You can simply turn it on. Now you can use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac and when both devices are near each other. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.